Hello, in this video we will see how can we use find in text block. So go to text formatter, select find in text, select authentication. So we will create a new authentication here, enter label and enter API key. Then simply click on add new authentication. Here our authentication is created. Select the text from the data you have. So for example, here I am taking this recharge amount, and in value write the text that you are searching for. So for example, I can write here recharge. Let's run and save this. Show run history. As we can see here, index is 0. So whenever index is 0 or greater than 0, this means that the value we have written here is there in our text. So let me write a value that is not in my text. For example, true. Let's run and save this. Now in the run history, we can see that index is -1. So whenever the index is less than 0, the value we have written is not in our text, and whenever it is 0 or greater than 0, it is in our text.